Hello everyone. In this video I will be showing you how to swap multiple sheets using parameter in Tableau. So we will not only be swapping multiple sheets, but we will be also swapping the associated legends to the sheet. So let's start. So I am planning to make 3 sheets here to swap. First will be for line chart, second will be for tree, and the third would be for table. So let's start with the line chart. So for that, drag and drop order date in the columns, drag sales and drop it in rows. Now I want to have a split with respect to the categories, convert it into entire view. So we are done with the line chart. Next is tree. For tree, just drag the sales into text and region into columns. From show me, just select the tree maps. Now let me change the legends as well. So drag and drop region in the color and sales in text as well. Convert it into entire view. So our tree is ready. Now let's move to the third part, which is table. For table, just drag and drop state into rows and sales and text. So we are done with the 3 chart. Now we will be making parameter. So create a parameter. Let me name it as swap. Change the data type to string and select list over here. So the first value is line, display it as line. Second is for tree map, so value is tree and displaying it as tree. Last one is table. Click on OK. Now we have to store the value of the parameter inside a calculated field. So create a calculated field, swap, and the value swap is filled inside the calculated field. Now let me show the parameter control. So here we have 3 values, line, tree and table. So right now line is selected, so the value that is stored inside the calculated field swap would be line. But right now we are in the chart table, so I will be selecting the value table. So what happens is right now the calculated field swap, it has value table selected over here. So let us drag this one and drop it inside the filter. Select the table because right now we are on table chart and we have to filter table. Click on OK. Now if I change the value to tree, all the values will get hidden as this condition is not satisfied. So right now the calculated field swap has value tree. So let us go to tree chart, drag and drop the value swap, select tree. Okay. Now let me change the value of swap parameter again, change it to line as we have to apply the same filter in line chart as well. So drag and drop the calculated field swap and select the value line. Now open the dashboard so that we could add all the 3 sheets. So first drag and drop vertical container and add all the sheets one by one. Now hide the title of every sheet. Now let us change the value of parameter to see whether it works or not. So it is working. The values or the sheets are getting swapped within a container. So if you have carefully observed, as I change the value of parameter, the legends also get swapped as well. So just have a look. So right now region is selected, and if I select line, category gets selected, So just hide the headers of the title of the legend. Okay, now let us change again. So the appropriate legend is shown and the unnecessary legends get hidden. So that's it. Our swap sheet is working fine, and I hope that you would be easily able to implement the same. So that's it. Thank you.